How to change server on CookieRun. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can change your server on CookieRun. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to launch your CookieRun game, and once you launch that, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and when you click on that, you'll be able to see an option settings. So click on settings. Once you're in your settings, under the info section, search for the logout button and then click logout. Once you have successfully logged out of your game, you need to log in again, but with a different account, either with an existing account, or if you don't have another existing account, you can create a new account. So once you have logged in, you'll be asked to select a server. So you can select any of the server among the options. You can either select pure vanilla, holyberry, dark cacao, or any of the servers that are available in front of you. So select the server and then click on play. So once you have clicked on play, you will be redirected to the game's interface with a new selected server of your own choice. So once you have logged in with a new server, you can transfer your data and everything from the previous server to the new server. So that was how you can change your server on CookieRun. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.